Hello there. Today I'm going to show you the fastest way to copy and apply different adjustments in Capture One. So let's get started. So the most basic functionality are the arrows up here. With these guys you can copy and apply all the adjustments. But you can also, let's go back, customize what you want to apply. So it's always, the adjustments is always on the apply button. That's pretty strange for me from the beginning, but makes sense. So for instance, I put the crop factor onto this image. To show it, I have to go to the hand tool. And now I want to copy the picture with this crop factor. So I have to go to the adjustments here and go to composition and also tick the crop factor. So now if I hit copy, and more important, so if I hit apply, let's turn it off first, it's copied without the crop factor. If I put it in, apply, it's copied with the crop factor. I think this is most useful because usually I copy all the exposure and level stuff, but I don't want to copy the crop factor. So this is quite a useful tool here. So let's go back. Now the fastest way that I want to show you is actually this arrow here, the copy and apply adjustments, but this isn't here normally, so you have to do a right click up here, customize, and then the arrow should be somewhere in here, and then you can just throw it in wherever you want. With this guy you can just hit a picture and then shift click and hit whatever pictures you want, or hold alt and click the pictures you want to apply it. You can also deselect, and then if you hit this arrow you can choose what you want to copy. But if you want to make this even faster, you choose the image, the source image, hold down shift, choose the images you want it to be applied to, and keep holding shift down while you hit the button, and it's immediately applied to all the images. The same arrow you actually also find within each and every adjustment. So let's say you want to copy and paste only the black and white, you can do it right here. You can click this double arrow and it will ask you what you actually want to apply, if there are more than one function. And you can also hit shift and have the adjustments applied immediately. Like if you want to copy the adjustment from this picture to, let's say, this picture, you hit down alt to select this picture, and then you hit down shift and hit the double arrow button. So now I have the picture in black and white. So the last method I want to show you is a little more complicated, but it also adds more functionality. So let's go into it. Just found out before that black and white adjustments actually don't work this way. So I have to take a colored adjustment, and I go to the adjustments table and I save this. Under the three dots here, you can save it as a user style. So all the adjustments I want are saved as a style. Let's save it like this and take the concept one style. I replace it. and then I go to another picture. This is a raw picture, unedited, and now I want to apply this style. So I go to the exposure and I add, let's remove this, I add a new layer and fill the mask, so it's actually applied on the full picture. You can show the mask with hit M, and then I apply the setting from. So right click on the layer, apply setting from user styles, and I choose the one I just saved before. So that's the console style 1. So it doesn't look so nice because there are different colors. The lighting was actually very different, but I applied the same style that's here to this picture. And what I can do now, and that's really cool, I can choose the opacity. So I can choose the opacity of the whole adjustment from all the different color and exposure adjustments together in one slider as opacity. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. I will upload some Capture One tutorials, also Affinity Photo tutorials, and maybe other stuff here related in the future. So thanks for watching, see you again, bye bye.